Welcome to Mindful Moments. Before we begin, let's focus on diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing. Most of us take shallow breaths into our chest, but deep breathing from the diaphragm helps engage the full capacity of our lungs, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Place one hand on your belly, the other on your chest. As you inhale, try to expand your belly outward while keeping your chest still. As you exhale, feel your belly gently fall. Now let's begin with guided breathing. Take a deep breath through your nose, expanding your belly. Inhale for a count of 4. Hold gently. Now exhale through your mouth, feeling your belly soften. Let's repeat. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale, slowly releasing tension. 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue this rhythm. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. To stay present, try a breathing count. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Do this for as many cycles as you wish, pulling that clean, cleansing air in with each breath, letting the tension and stress slowly release as you exhale. Take one more deep belly breath in. Hold. Exhale fully, letting go of any remaining stress, pulling that diaphragmatic muscle all the way back, pushing that stale air out from the bottom of your lungs. And when you can't push any harder, let that exhale naturally enter, bringing that calming, cool air inside. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Lighter, calmer, more present. Carry this sense of peace with you into the rest of the day. Another deep breath in. Hold. And out. Cheers, friends.